to go for living in Green Hippies in Alabama. Today I want to give you a little tip about our free fish food. You want to say good morning, guys? These are our tilapias that we're growing for food. I'm going to go in the garden and I'm going to get them some food. And it's so easy and you can grow it yourself. So stay tuned for free tilapia food. So I'm walking down to our garden. It's Alabama for you, trucks and four-wheelers. But hey, this is our food. I am just going to be careful here. I'm going to take my butterfly net. Good morning, orphan. The more you harvest of this, the better it will grow. So we grow them here in our garden next to the water irises. So I'm going to give a little bit to our chickens, see if they like it, and then I'm going to feed our tilapia babies. Hang on. One of the things you really have to enjoy when you're doing gardening, intuition gardening, is that I like to try out new things to do, right? So originally I have this duckweed to go and feed the tilapias, right? But we have our little orphan friend here, our Orpington with his chicks. Hi, orphan. Now let me see if he likes this. Bear in mind, I never tried to feed him this before. Hi, orphan. Do you like this? It's called duckweed. Do you want to try it? Okay. Don't eat my butterfly net, orphan. Oh, she's eating it. So it's a go from Bigfoot. She's like, yes, I can have this, totally. So it is now chicken and tilapia food. Go hunting for more duckweed. As if you have like anything else than fish and tilapias, like if you're into reptiles and stuff, you know, when you grow your tilapias, you can also grow them like we do outdoors, and you can have like frogs and stuff. That way you also have food for, let's say, your turtles, other, you know, reptiles, amphibians, whatever. So just saying, duckweed is very versatile. Do the tilapias eat tadpoles? So according to hubby, it won't hurt if I try to feed the tilapias with tadpole. Oh, I think that's a mama toad. I think I just took her baby. That's kind of gross, but don't play with the food, baby. Circle of life. I give them duckweed, and the plants, they get fish poop water back. So yeah, it works. Yes, Wabbit. And Brenda, thank you so much for sending the nettle. It's starting to come up here. It's awesome. Yes. So the tadpole is gone already. And they're eyeballing the duckweed. So there you go. That's the circle of life. We gave them tadpoles and duckweed, and now they're gonna be food for us.
Now you can do these many ways. Root likes them when I use an egg wash. I'll take the fillet, I'll dip it in the egg wash, and then there's flour, salt, and pepper in this. Then fry them in a pan of oil, butter probably. Yes, make them extra yummy. And we'll have fried tilapia.
And how do you bake them?
Well, baking them, I like to bake them either blackened style. I'll put a hot pan in the oven. I'll get it really, really hot in the oven. I'll take it out, and I already have these coated with cayenne and chili pepper and garlic and that kind of stuff. And I'll lay them on that hot pan in the oven, you know, and they'll sizzle immediately. And that's called blackening them. But you can bake them very simply with a little bit of pepper and lemon. A little bit of lemon pepper.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. You never know what you're going to get from us. Shalom.